Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the step-by-step process of a beginner-friendly makeup look. This is the look I'm going to do. It's a simple makeup look which you can do it every day. If you're a college-going girl or an office-going person, this is the perfect makeup for you. Do subscribe to get further updates. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with putting our hair behind. I don't want the hair to disturb my makeup, so I'm just putting it behind. The first step is going to be moisturizer. So moisturizer is very important. Here I'm using Emollient. I have a dry skin basically, so I need something that will actually moisturize my skin and like gives me that glow. So I'm going to use this moisturizer. I think it retails somewhere between 250 to 300. You'll get it in all the drug stores. It's really good. You can use any moisturizer, Pond's, Nivea, anything would do. Okay, so the next step is going to be the sunscreen. Obviously you cannot skip sunscreen, especially again if you are someone who's working and you would be outside for more than 9 hours, then definitely use sunscreen. So usually I do the 2-finger thing, where you take sunscreen of 2 finger and then apply it. Got it in my head. Okay, I'm getting it in my head. Okay, cool. So obviously don't forget your eyelids, your ears, your hand, whatever is remaining. I'm just putting it in my hand. Okay, so sunscreen is done. So the first step of the makeup process is the primer. You should definitely use primer before applying any makeup products. Today I'm using Inside Cosmetics primer 3-in-1, which primes, protects and moisturizes, and I have a dry skin, so I need moisturizer. I'm just using primers where only my pores are visible. Okay, using primer helps you in reducing the pores, as well as the oil, shine, all of those things. Also it helps into even out the skin tone. For example, if you have conditions like these, where your pores are very much visible, you have to use a primer, especially which hides the pore kind of primer. So these primers will help you into making your skin a clean canvas for you to apply the makeup products. That's done. So next step is gonna be a concealer or a color corrector. Since today I'm going for a simple makeup, I'm not going in with the color corrector, and you can see I don't have much dark circle, so I'm just going directly in with the concealer. But if you have dark circles which are like too dark or pigmentations, you can always use a orange color corrector, but please just dab it, don't drag it. That will help you in hiding all the pigmentations, and then you can use the concealer. We are using all budget friendly products in this video, so I'm using Swiss Beauty. So this again is one of the best brands in the budget. So I'm just dotting it wherever I have like pigmentations. So I have just dotted it, so when I blend in, it actually blends in good. I don't use a lot of tools like brush or sponges and everything, because I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to wash them. So I just use my hands most of the time. I just use one brush for the foundation, that way it will be easy for me to clean it. Okay, so just dab it around the dark circles. So it gives a good coverage. Looks a little bit yellow, but that is fine. I like my concealers a little bit darker, that way I can work around with my foundations. Okay, so all the dark circle, everything is hidden now. Now I'll be going in with the foundation. Always remember, if you're choosing a concealer to hide your dark circles or any pigmentation, always choose a darker concealers. That will help you in giving you a nice finish instead of lighter ones. Next step is gonna be the foundation. A lot of us go wrong in picking the foundation shade. Always pick the shade that is closest to your skin tone, and don't pick a lighter foundation. There are a lot of brands under budget which actually gives us nice shades. One such brand is Maybelline. I love the Maybelline products, and the finish this gives is so good. Here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332. It's a little bit lighter. That is why my concealer, I don't mind going it a little bit darker or yellowish, because this will actually make everything look good. Let's go in. So this one technique which helps me get the flawless finish is that I don't directly put the foundation in your face, and don't ever do that because that will actually create that patchiness and dryness. Always put your foundation at the back of your hand and just mix it well and then just apply it in your face. That will actually give you a nice finish instead of directly putting it in your face. Okay, it's just taken so much. Use this foundation brush. You can take this foundation brush and then just take it little by little and then start applying it to your face, just in a dabbing motion. Just dab it. See, can you see that finish? Like, it gives you that skin like finish when you do this. Look at how it's covering my concealer, that yellowness. See, yellowness is gone now. So I'm just using a little bit in my eyes also, a little bit in the forehead. Don't forget to cover the neck and ears. If you are doing an eyeshadow and all of that, you need not have to focus on your eyelids. You can use a concealer or something like that later on. But if you're not doing eyeshadows, then definitely put there also. Otherwise, it will look very odd. Okay, most of the time we do forget the upper lids, ears and neck, and the color difference seems very clear. Okay, so the main step is done. That's the foundation. You can see how clear finish it has, and that is because I have taken from back of my hand and I have put a not done dot dot. Try this and this is going to be a game changer for you in the makeup. Okay, I am someone who loves blush, and most of the time I don't even invest in blush. I just use the lipstick as my blushes, but today I don't want to go red, so I am planning to use this purplish kind of lipstick as a blush. If you want, if you are scared to try, because I know blush is the one step where you can make or break the makeup. Like, it can make you look like a Sai Pallavi and Alia kind of natural pinkish look. Otherwise, it's gonna look like a Annabelle kind of situation. So make sure to start with as little as possible. I'll show you how. So I'm just literally, can you see that's all I'm using. If I want, I'll add on to that. I'm using the same brush. If you are a beginner who are thinking like, I want to invest in brush, this one brush you have to get. You can literally do an entire makeup in this brush. Do you think I have to do a video on that? Maybe I'll do a video on it, See the glow. It's just a simple dot. So if I go, see, can you see that pinkish? Of course, for the video maybe I can add a little bit more so that it is seen in the light. Okay, but naturally I'll just keep it so much. Okay, that way it will, the entire day I will get this cute little pinkish glow, which you usually see in Alia, no? I love that blush in Alia, right? Like the natural blush. Obviously, maybe hers is a natural pink, but I don't get natural pink this one. But love this. This will give me that natural pinkish kind of. See, this I'm just adding a little bit more so that you guys can see that you can like add as much as you want, as long as you're like satisfied. For this video, I'm satisfied with this. Okay, so we'll go with this. If you want, you can just stop with the first step which I did. Okay, so this will give you that natural pinkish glow. The blush technique is amazing. Try it and let me know in the comment if it works for you. Let's go with the next step, which is setting my face. Okay, so I have here, it's all over the place. Okay, so I'm using again Maybelline Fits Me compact. This is the new launch or whatever, because before I had that round thing that was around 200 to 300, but this is somewhere around 500 to 600. Anyways, I got it from buy to get one in the Nika Pink sale. You guys can do that. It is like really nice. This is good. That actually had like a medium coverage, so this is like full coverage. Like, it gives me that amazing coverage. You can carry this again if you are an office going or college going girl who needs a touch up in between, who has oil skin. This is amazing. Look at that. Can you see? Wow. Like, you don't need anything else. Obviously, before this you have a loose powder step. I am not doing that today because today we are going for a simple makeup look for beginners. So obviously set it in the neck as well. Don't forget the neck, man. Don't forget the neck. Neck is very important because most of the time when I'm in a hurry to go to office, I always end up forgetting neck. And when I go there, when I sit in my desk and I see that color difference, right, I'm like, ah. But that time I have this compact in my bag. Okay, so that time I take this compact and just this. I'm not gonna sweat the entire day. I'm not gonna sweat. Cool. This is from Elf. If you are following me on Instagram, you already know I've left a review on this. A little bit on the costlier side. I think it's around 500, 400 something. If you want something simpler, just go to fancy store, get an eyebrow pencil. Okay, that is gonna look. It's a nightmare to find stuff in my bag. Okay, so it will look something like this, like a eyebrow pencil. All you have to do is any eyebrow pencil you're using, start from here, like one finger technique. Use that, and your eyebrow is gonna look flawless. That's it. Just apply it on top of your eyebrows, and that's gonna make your eyebrow look naturally thicker. Yeah, naturally thicker. I'm using Nika's eyeshadow palette brown. If you are someone who are even 1% interested in eyeshadow, like don't know where to begin, start with this palette. Like literally start with this palette, because with this palette you can never ever go wrong. Like it is too good. Okay, and it's not a rocket science. You just have to dab it in this, and then just do the circle motion and just blend it out. That's it. You have to make sure that it's like blending all the way to the eyebrow. Glitter I am taking from this palette. You can easily use that brown glitter which is given in the same palette. This is how it is. It's like very natural shine, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it to be too much. We're done with the eyeshadows, we're done with the glitters. Now let us go with the eyeliner. So I have Swiss Beauty again eyeliner. This is like amazing eyeliner. You can actually invest in this if you are in the budget. If you want it a little bit, if you can go a little bit above, you can even invest in Maybelline. You can invest in few other good brands. Even K Beauty is really good when it comes to eyeliner. Okay, so today I'm just gonna do a simple winged liner. I like need a mirror for the eyeliner, so okay, so either I can leave it like this, which actually looks good, but I'm still debating on whether I want to add kajal to this look. But let's see, let me finish the entire look, and if I still want to add kajal, then I'll be going with it. So before I use the mascara, I'll curl the lashes. But you see how lifted my lashes look. Okay, now I'll be applying a little bit of mascara. I'm not adding false lashes. I don't even know how I'm doing it without a mirror. So the mascara is also a very important step, because that's gonna make your lifeless eyes into amazing beautiful eyes. Okay, even if you don't have much lashes, use this mascara. It's like good, gives you the natural lift, and it looks also very natural instead of it being clumpy and all of that. So let's go with the lips now. When I put a lip liner and on top of that lipstick, okay, this itself suits my outfit. I'm using a maroonish red lipstick because I want the lip to pop up. Okay, so this is the lipstick. Look at the shade, it's so good. You can see how this lipstick just finished all of my look. So I'm still wondering if I have to apply a kajal or not. We are almost at the end of the video. I love the makeup look, but I'm thinking maybe kajal till here, because I am still confused whether kajal or not. So I'm just gonna put it till here. Will give me that almond effect. Just, yeah, that looks good. So we are removing this. I'm not doing much to the hair. My hair looks good, so I'm just combing it out. Looks good. Just puff it out a bit. I'm finishing it with a red bindi because I feel like the makeup's not complete without a bindi. So that's, did you see how amazing it looks? Let's add some jewelry to this. I love this jewelry, it's so good, and it goes with my outfit. And then I'll add in my grand dupatta. This is my final look. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.